Hey, what's going on? It's on Beowulf. Man, I haven't made a video for a while. Just kind of want to show what I've been up to. I've been kind of hiatus. I've been posting shorts on YouTube, but really not talking about anything I've been doing for going on 2 years of 3D printing and mastering my craft. Don't mind some of this other stuff that is a whole nother video, but today's focus video is on the Terminator T600 that I built. This is for sale on my website at 3dbeowulf.com. I sell these for $250. This is just a really nice piece. The really cool thing is you can take the head off, and it has a slot there so you can actually wall mount this, so you have an option of not sitting on the shelf. Both ways look really cool. The LEDs are awesome on this. So this is a Terminator T600. You would have seen this in Terminator Salvation. And to be honest, I kind of personally am a big fan of the T600. Just has more of an aggressive shaped face than the T800 that you're normally seeing. The really cool thing is it has a battle damage. If you remember when Christian Bale lands the helicopter, he shoots it, and that's kind of giving you that effect. And it's really cool. I do really cool weathering into this to really bring out all the details into this. So all these are hand painted. The base is just PEBG filament, color filament, but the actual, this is color filament, but the rest of the face is hand painted. All this is all 3D printed in PEBG, so there's no PLA or whatnot into that. And this paint that I use, that I'm really a big fan of, doing a lot of metal work, really gives it that really cool real metal look that I'm a big fan of. And I figured to share this. The really cool thing is the whole LED mechanism hides right in there, and that's kind of why I did this without hand painting this piece, is because it's really, when you're showcasing this, you're not showcasing the back of this. And the cool thing too, with it being just like a half face, is really where I can bring the cost down onto this. Because if this was like the full shaped head, the price would be a lot more money with that. And I just think the base is really nice. I've done actually about 15 different style Terminator skulls that I've sold, and I find that this style is the best one that I prefer doing. It's the not just the easiest, but it's the look is just so cool. So I figured to share this to anybody out there that's a huge Terminator fan. I just think the eyes in this, unbelievable detail, really cool. The face is really nice on this skull. And there's other videos I do, like custom horror Grogu's. I'm into doing the whole 1/6 scale stuff. This is the new Biff that just came out, that literally he's in a whole nother future video, and got a couple of Mandalorian armor that I had to paint. You got to do all the weathering. This is my own personal armor. I'm really big fan of the season 1 pre-Beskar on Din Djarin. And yeah, there is so much that's been going on, and I haven't made any YouTube videos. That literally I just been hustling. I also make 2 custom signs. We got some Back to the Future ones. These are all to go in with this video. We got part 3, part 1, part 2. I do all custom signs too now. I've been doing a lot of stuff. And there's a hoverboard that fits for 1/6 scale, super detailed. Building a life-size hoverboard. I'm building life-size bust. This is a whole sneak peek. This is a whole nother video. This is a life-size Michael Myers. I built the pumpkin lights up. This is actually for sale. I cannot ship this because it's so big and fragile that if somebody really wants this, they would have to come pick it up and arrange their own shipping with that. So there's just a whole bunch. I'll give you a little sneak peek. Like, this is the other, this is for a life-size Terminator T800 bust that I'm selling, which is not the whole piece, but that just shows you what the difference too between what a T800 is to the T600. These are wine holders, dragons. Here's one that's almost all done. This is part of Mandalorian armor. This is like a life-size Grogu, that's the Terminator. And all the stuff I 3D printed, hand painted. There's some other stuff that's part of a Mandalorian Beskar armor. That's got a lot going on. Got underneath there, I'm building a life-size Vecna bust. And yeah, this thing turned out really cool. There's so much that I've been doing that I need to make more YouTube videos, because the problem is I've been just building and hustling and not taking the time to show the awesome work that I do. And I know that people miss the jet ski videos. I'm just telling you, I am so addicted to this, because it's building these life-size busts and life-size statues has been a dream to always own, and I'm making a dream a reality. Like, this is my Terminator 2 arcade, and then here's my own personal life-size Terminator T600 bust. The eyes light up. And I remember when I bought this arcade, I thought to myself, my dream was to build Terminator life-size props to go with this arcade. And I've had this arcade for 3 years, maybe longer, before getting into 3D printing. And then I got this, the signed poster from Arnold Schwarzenegger, whatnot, right there. Also too, the life-size Terminator T800 arm that you would see in the movie. I 3D printed that. It has a whole glass case. I sell versions of that, not as so detailed, but again, it's real fragile, so I don't ship them online. That's my personal piece. That thing is so cool. It has a glass container around it. Built Thor's hammers. There's some more of the signs. Yes, and I build custom 1/6 dioramas too now. I've had an addiction of 1/6 scale stuff, and this will be a whole nother video too. This is 1/6 scale of Rogue One. I know Penguin doesn't belong with Darth Vader, but I had to put a spot with him with that. Yeah, I just figured to give a little short sharing of what I've been up to. If you're not subscribed to the channel, it's Tampa J. He was at Spooky Empire in Charleston, South Carolina, and then did a whole little video showing off my Terminator stuff I make, which I really appreciated him doing that video. Yeah, so check this out, 3dbeowulf.com. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification. I will be hustling making more YouTube videos, because I have you don't understand how much stuff I've made that is so cool that it's time to open the floodgates and show what I've been up to for the last 2 years, building and learning my craft. So see you guys in the next one.